Alright, it's time I log back in on my videos. Today, we going to Honolulu. I'm linking up with my sisters and stuff. We're finna do this little lantern event. I ain't never done it before, so I'm really excited to see how it goes. But while we're down there, we're gonna go there, get the lanterns. Then we're going to the beach, having a beach day. Then we're gonna leave the beach day and go do the lanterns at nighttime. So this gonna be a full day vlog. I ain't gonna overly record or nothing. Calm little video. Hey, I appreciate y'all for following me and subscribing. I also have a new room, but don't worry about that. But yeah, so I'm gonna catch y'all in a few. I'm gonna go pick up Leah and then we on the way. And don't mind the LED lights either. I ran out of things. I'm gonna fix it. Just chill.
Praising the Lord so loud I might just break the speaker. Okay.
Princess said she don't consent to me putting her in the video. Oh, we got Leah in the top too, though. Hi. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Nah, I could be honest. I was gonna record in the car, but I didn't want to make her feel uncomfortable, so I was like, I was gonna wait a little bit. But I record when I be driving and stuff. Yeah. I'm in the city.
I just wanna heal the world. I feel like Michael Jackson. And that's the Bible. God has fixed my mind from thinking suicidal. And I'ma carry that cross even if I break my spine.
Alright, y'all, we are here. Nothing. I'm vlogging for my YouTube channel. I'm with Leah, Princess. We're waiting for Shelby, Danae, and a few other friends. You see the joints, bro. It's a beautiful day in Hawaii, bro. It started off raining too. That's the crazy thing. Skin look good. Haircut smooth. Tats out. Very yadded, bro. You know the vibes, man. Alright, we're gonna have a great day today. This is the line to get a lantern. There's a lot of people. See how this goes. Yeah, if it's Hawaii, you gotta visit. It's a beautiful place. It's moving though.
Oh, we got a ponytail.
We're almost there. Slide. We're at the front, folks. Alright, we're here. This is when we have them. Yeah, you thought you had to pay for it?
Yeah.
Free ski, bro. And now we get to make them right where we want, right?
Are you talking to me?
Yes. I'm vlogging. This is my joint so far. I'm figuring what else I want to put. Y'all, I did my joint. I got my twin ski with me, bro.
Look, I got a bag.
Nah, for real, show them.
We're gonna bring out your
Later tonight when I see her, we'll look at hers, okay?
No, this is before I look a mess right now. But later I'm gonna look just like that. Bring out the rest of your equipment.
She don't even doesn't look a mess.
No, we haven't done a vlog since January.
Cause she be faking on me, bro. She don't be wanting to see it, but
No, he lives too far. And my car is like,
pay attention.
he's gonna get fixed up. She's gonna get candle go last. Move the candle. You're supposed to be okay.
I know.
So Carlos is gonna help you, okay? So you can do it.
Alright, I'll see y'all later.
That was a little hard.
Bye, vlog. I will see y'all later. I'm gonna head to
Alright, let's see.
my son.
Yeah, it's a little hard.
Bye, y'all.
Bye. Don't cry.
You kind of gotta give it.
I'll see y'all later, bro. Forget it, right?
Moving, and so move with purpose, as we would say.
Yes, ma'am.
You put it
Yeah, and then the candle will go inside. You don't
every single
together
place.
right now if you don't want to, but
Bottom and the side.
It looks nice.
Okay, you gotta hold this. See how it.
Right now, heading into the store. I gotta get a bottle of water. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm dry hungry. Like, give me some chicken wings. Just a few real quick, just to hold me over until later. goodies. All right, chat. So we got brownies, cookies, salad, yeah. She got some, and I got some wings.
I'm so sorry. Do y'all say something?
Can you pass me a fork?
Got you.
Jamaican spot over here called, what is it, Island Patty?
They got the patties like
We're at the beach now. Princess is here. Alright, what's up? Okay, y'all. This is how much stuff we have. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Now we're going. Yeah, I'm good. Hawaii, y'all. God dang, man. Come here, Jerry. 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 Hey, Jerry. Shelby, say hi to my vlog.
Hola!
This is Shelby, yo. She's like the biggest bully on Hawaii.
First of all,
I'm playing. Love you, bro. Ah! Shout out to the guys.
love it.
Look at the doggy. Jerry! Jerry!
She said, push it, wait.
It's okay, bro. It's okay.
Did you put sauce when you had Mr. Beef?
Me?
Yeah.
No, we had soy sauce and brown sugar to make it teriyaki.
Oh, princess.
Princess.
This was yours, right?
Princess.
Yeah.
Why you didn't get a masubi?
Because Danae didn't give me one. She's so rude.
Give Princess one, please.
Hey. Did I offer? I did offer that.
You did offer. I heard you, and I didn't want to like offer myself.
I didn't know if you.
You didn't ask.
There you go.
No, I didn't.
He wants some masubi.
Wait, y'all. The fire.
He's fine. He's small. He's not gonna go there. She's fine.
You.
Never mind. Shelby, let him go.
We finna tell her for real. Yeah, we gotta try her.
Is it good?
First of all, it's a girl.
Is it
Her
good?
name is Naui.
I know you don't want to call it a he. She's mispronouncing. That's like literally a crime in 2026. That's messed up. How you know she doesn't want to be a boy? How do you know? How you know? You never know.
It's good. It's 10 out of 10.
The nails a 10 out of 10 from her. It smells like a 4 out of 10. Tastes like a 0 out of 10. Horrible. It's not on plan. I'm about to try it.
Games this time. That's right, wild.
I am going to try it.
Terrorizing people be smiling.
So, what we have today is spam,
Yeah.
rice.
Couldn't even hold you for 5 minutes.
Bruh. Now we're gonna try it. That's good.
You sure?
I got you. Go.
Hold this, princess. Hold it this way so the fire don't go out. like bite your first piece of chicken and see if it's like pink or not.
Not pink in the middle. That's the goal. That's all white.
Yeah.
Not raw?
Yeah, it's good.
Not raw? Alright, I'm gonna put some more. So we got more chicken. Well, let me cook some steak ones.
Okay. Yeah. Pretty good. Is our trash bag?
Lost a piece of chicken.